Hazrat Abu Sayyid Ansari radiyallahu anhu would testify that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "The best of the clans of the helpers is Banu Najjar, then Banu Abdul Ashal, then Banu Harith bin Khazraj, then Banu Saida, and there is good in all clans of the helpers." Abu Salama states that Hazrat Abu Usaid radiyallahu anhu said, "Am I associating a false statement with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam? If I had to tell a lie, I would have started with my clan Banu Saida." When this news reached Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu, he felt gloomy and said, "We have been left behind. We have been placed at the end of all four clans. Saddle my donkey. I want to visit Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam." Sahel, his nephew, said, "Are you doing to reject what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam knows the best? Isn't it sufficient for you that you are the fourth of the four?" He whereupon returned and said, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam know the best," and then commanded to unsaddle the donkey. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6372.